Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make 14% APY with your Bitcoin. I'm going to be showing you a brand new strategy that nobody is talking about in today's video. I'm going to show you how you can get started right now for free. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So we're going to get started with this website right here, guys. Do not exit out of this video. I'm going to be showing you something brand new that nobody is talking about, that nobody is showing you. Possibly they don't even know about this strategy yet. So make sure you watch this video, guys. So first off, this website is a faucet. This website has been around for such a long time, so it has a lot of trust behind it. A lot of people deposit their money inside of here and just leave it like a bank account. So make sure you keep watching this video, guys. It is really important. So watch this, guys. So first off, if you want to get started for free, you're gonna be at zero, and I recommend you guys possibly getting started for free, or if you want to deposit just a tiny bit of crypto, do so, guys, but it's going to be at your own risk. This is not financial advice. This is just me showing you what is possible. So you can see right here, buy and hold 2,500 fun tokens in your account to play with free BTC with no captcha. Do not worry about that either. I want to show you something very interesting, something that is so exciting that I have recently just figured out that you can do right now, guys. So first off, this is a captcha. Again, you're going to get around 0.00002 satoshis every time you solve this captcha. So just by clicking I am not a robot and rolling the dice. Now let's get that out of the way right here, guys. I want to show you something else on top of that. Most of you guys possibly already know that we have this earn BTC here, which is going to give you an annual interest rate of 4%. You're going to need around 30,000 satoshis, which is 0.0003 BTC, in order for you to start to earn interest every single day. Again, do not worry about that either. Now I want to show you something right here. It says buy 2,500 fun tokens to get 0% more interest. Now how interesting is that? Click on that right there, guys. Look right here, 0% interest boost. Let's change this number to 13,000, right? Click on that. Look, 10% interest boost. 10% plus the 4% equals 14. Don't exit out of the video just yet, guys. I'm not through with you. Watch this, guys. I'm going to show you how you can get started for free. We're going to be doing the captchas to start to earn some satoshis to make this process go quicker. We're also going to be showing you, I'm also going to be showing you a passive method that is going to help you out in an insane amount of time and passively, guys. Watch this. We're going to click on this right here. So I'm going to be showing you this website called Unmineable. I'm going to show you how you can set it up. I'm going to show you everything in this video. Let me show you how it's working right now. I'm working it. I'm using it while I'm making this video. This was at 1,000, but I'm using some CPU to make this video because I'm using OBS and I'm using this website. So this would be at 1,000 right now if I wasn't recording. Look, I only started this up for like 5 minutes or 6 minutes, I believe. We're gonna be making around 2 to 3 fun tokens every single day if I'm not running all of this stuff that I'm recording on, because I want to show you what is possible. Now you might be like, Edward, that is not even close to enough, but patience, guys. Watch this. We're gonna continue on with this video. Now if we scroll down, you can see the fun token right here, guys. Now once we have clicked on that, we're gonna download the software so we can get started running on our desktop. So click on download. Now once you have clicked on this download button, click right here where it says packed version, right click on it, click on open in a new link or in a new tab, because if we click right here, it's just going to lead us back to this page. Click on this, click on open in a new tab. You're going to see it starting to download down here in the bottom left hand corner. Let me cancel that real quick because I already have it downloaded. Unzip it into your files. Once you have unzipped it, guys, look, we're going to come back in here in a couple of minutes. I should be getting an updated balance. So let me just stop this real quick since I'm making this video. I don't want my computer to just shut off and me lose all of this recording. So let me just stop this real quick. So we stopped it. Let's come back. Let me go all the way back to the beginning. You're going to get led to a page just like this once you have opened it up. It's going to ask you GPU or CPU. I'm going to show you how to run it on a CPU, which is extremely easy. You just go over here to where it says start. You're going to select this where it says ETH hash or ETH cache or something like that, random X or pop or POW. kapow or something like that, guys. So I'm going to show you through this strategy right here, because this one's going to need NVIDIA. I don't run NVIDIA. I try to use this one, but I can't get it to work. This is NVIDIA again. So I'm using this CPU. We're going to click on this link. It's going to lead us to this page right here. You're going to click on where it says Windows if you're running Windows, Linux, or Mac. So I'm running Windows. So we're going to click right here where it says Windows 64 zip. Click on that bad boy. It's going to pop up another download link right there. I should have canceled it, but I was too late. So you're going to unzip that as well. Come back to the software. Click right here where it has a folder. Once you have clicked where it has the folder, you're going to open up where the folder's at. Click on it and then click on this and click on open. Once you have done that, guys, click on next. Now it's the same thing for the other ones, guys. So click where it says Funfair or whatever currency is going to show you, and look for Funfair. So let me look for that real quick right there, guys. So we're gonna enter your address. So you're gonna find that address, go back to free Bitcoin. I'm showing you how to set it up because it is insane of how much money you can possibly make. 14% on your Bitcoin plus the 10% on the fun token, I believe. So you're gonna be earning 10% on the fun token plus the 14% on your Bitcoin. So once you have clicked on premium, scroll down to where it says deposit and withdraw. Click right here where it says deposit, and then it's going to say to do a new address, new deposit address. Copy this. We're going to come back over here. Look, it says right here, please deposit fun in minimum increments of one. Let's say one fun. Or for example, if you deposit 10 fun, you will only be credited 10 fun to your account. The remaining will be lost. So I'm going to show you something. Stay with this video, guys. This is like a tutorial, and I'm showing you how to make 14% on your Bitcoin plus 10% on your fun tokens, I believe. So this is not financial advice. This is just me showing you what I'm doing in order to make some money with crypto. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to come back over here to this website real quick. I want to show you inside of here. So as you can see, my balance has just increased from 5 to 9 now. So I'm getting closer to getting my first one, and I've only been running this for a couple of minutes. You can see how low it's gotten already just because I stopped it. But apart from all that, guys, we're going to come over here where it says pay automatically from 1,186 fun. I'm not sure if that is through these digits or if that's just through here. So that's the reason why I stopped it, and I would recommend you guys stopping it until you earn enough like one fun or two fun in order to withdraw it to your free Bitcoin, so you won't lose all of that crypto that you're working passively to earn. And just keep building this slowly but surely, guys. Once you start to reach these little milestones, so 2,500, you're gonna start to earn a little bit of interest, guys. In your brain, you're gonna be like, hey, it's gonna take me forever, I'm gonna give up. Do not give up, guys, because you're earning Bitcoin. You can withdraw your Bitcoin to the fund, and then once you start to earn more interest, you're gonna start back at zero on Bitcoin, and just keep building your account slowly but surely. And eventually you get up to this, and then you'll start to earn that percentage, guys. 10% plus 4%, 14% APY on your Bitcoin, 10% on your fund, I believe, and plus these free spins of the Wheel of Fortunes through this free Bitcoin. The links are going to be down in the description for the unminable and for freebitcoin.in, guys. And this is just a quick tutorial showing you how you can start to make some money with this. And at the end of the day, guys, consistency is key to earning money with cryptocurrency. My name is Edward Carreno. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.